Hello friends, happy to have you back. Today on the program is vanilla dessert cream. This cream will delight the end of meals for young and old. It is very simple to make with only 5 ingredients, the list of which we will discover right away. Let's go. We start cold by putting the milk in a saucepan with the cornstarch, sugar, vanilla, and we mix well. Then we light the fire, which we put on medium, and we will wait for it to heat up, stirring all the time so that the bottom does not burn. From the first little signs of boiling, you just count 10 seconds and completely remove yourself from the heat. You will then immediately put the egg yolk in the preparation, stirring very quickly without stopping for about 1 minute. Stir vigorously for a minute because the egg should not scramble but mix perfectly with the cream. This egg serves us, among other things, as a natural dye. For a top result, pass the cream through a fine mesh sieve to remove absolutely any small lumps there may be. Then you stir every 15 minutes or so, slowly without whipping the cream. See after an hour how it has thickened. You can put it in the fridge. Once in the fridge, if you want a top result, you stir the cream from time to time, always gently until it is very cold. Then, all that remains is to taste. I advise you to prepare with a small liquid caramel, which will increase the flavor of this dessert even more tenfold. To learn how to make this liquid caramel, click on the video capture toolbar below. Good appétit, my friends, and see you very soon. À très bientôt, mes amis.